This video explains how to convert a matrix to a vector object using the drop function in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create an example matrix, as you can see in line 2 of the code. So after running this line of code, a new matrix object called met is appearing at the top right, and we can print this matrix to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 3 of the code. And then you can see that we have created a matrix object that contains only one row and 4 columns, and the cells in this matrix contain the values 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we could also apply the dim function to this matrix to get the dimensions of our matrix, as you can see in line 5 of the code, and then you can see that our matrix contains only one row and 4 columns. Now let's assume that we want to convert this one row in our matrix to a vector object. Then we could apply the drop function, as you can see in line 7 of the code, and we simply have to apply the drop function to our matrix object, as you can see at the end of this line. And then I'm also storing the output of this in a new data object that I'm calling metDrop. So after running line 7 of the code, a new data object called metDrop is appearing at the top right, and we can print this data object to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 8 of the code. And then you can see that we have converted our matrix with only one row to a vector object, which contains the values in our matrix. Now we could also apply the dim function to this data object once again, as you can see in line 10 of the code, and then you can see that the dimension null is returned, so we have dropped the redundant dimensions from our matrix object. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.